Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making crispy black bean tacos wrapped in homemade sweet potato tortillas. They're packed with flavor, loaded with fiber, and incredibly satisfying. Let's start with the filling. To a pan, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 small finely chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns soft and translucent. Add half a cup of chopped tomatoes, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon finely chopped chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. Cook this for about 2 minutes until everything starts coming together. Now season it with salt to taste, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon smoked paprika, and half teaspoon spicy chili powder. Give everything a good mix and cook until the spices become fragrant. Next, add 1 can of black beans. I like to drain and rinse canned beans before using them, but that's totally optional. Mix everything well, cover, and let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. This gives the beans enough time to absorb all those smoky spicy flavors. Once done, give it one last mix and let the filling cool slightly before assembling the tacos. For the tortillas, I'm using my homemade sweet potato tortillas. They add a subtle sweetness and pair beautifully with the smoky black bean filling. If you don't have sweet potato tortillas, don't worry. This recipe works perfectly with any tortillas or taco shells you already have. To assemble, take a tortilla and add a generous amount of black bean filling, then add your favorite cheese on top, and that's it. Fold the tortilla and we are ready to cook. Place the tacos on a skillet and lightly spray them with oil. Cook on both sides until the outside becomes golden and slightly crispy while the cheese melts inside. If you are making a larger batch, here is an easier method. Place all the assembled tacos on a baking tray, spray them lightly with oil, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Both methods work beautifully. Now for my favorite part, serving. Top the tacos with a little sour cream, some fresh jalapeños for heat, avocado, and a squeeze of lime to brighten everything up. I also served mine with jalapeno cilantro crema, and it was incredibly delicious. What I love most about this recipe is that it's not only delicious but also packed with fiber thanks to the black beans and the sweet potatoes. If you're looking for a fun vegetarian dinner, meal prep idea, or Taco Tuesday recipe, definitely give this a try.